Are you looking for natural ways to take care of your skin at home? Welcome to the world of natural skincare, where the benefits of earth-sourced ingredients and do-it-yourself routines reign supreme. Stay tuned as we delve into 6 simple yet effective tips. Get ready to find out how simple yet effective natural skincare can be. Firstly, let's delve into the wonders of honey and lemon for a cleansing mask. Combine 1 tablespoon of raw honey with the juice of half a lemon. Apply this golden elixir to your face, granting it a 15-minute spa session. Rinse with warm water for a natural cleanse that balances your skin's pH and brightens your complexion. Next, let's introduce the oatmeal exfoliating scrub. Blend 2 tablespoons of finely ground oats with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Massage this soothing mixture onto your face, then rinse with cool water. 2 simple steps, 2 fantastic natural skincare solutions. Moving on to refreshing your skin with a cucumber and mint toner. Blend half a cucumber with a handful of fresh mint leaves, straining the mixture to extract the juice. Applying this toner with a cotton pad will leave your skin feeling refreshed and hydrated. Now, let's nourish with an avocado and honey moisturizing mask. Mash half a ripe avocado and mix with a tablespoon of honey, leaving it on your face for 20 minutes. Rinse with lukewarm water. Feel the freshness and deep moisturization with these natural remedies. Now let's talk about the power of green tea and coconut oil for your skin. Green tea, when cooled and applied as a toner, brims with antioxidants that shield your skin from free radicals, promoting a healthy glow. Moving on to the magic of coconut oil. Before you dive into dreamland, apply a dollop of organic coconut oil to your face, gently massaging it in. As you sleep, it deeply moisturizes, replenishing your skin. With these treatments, your skin can become the epitome of health and radiance. So there you have it, 6 natural skincare tips you can do at home. From honey lemon masks to avocado moisturizers, each brings unique benefits, balancing, exfoliating, hydrating, and nourishing your skin. Regular application enhances these effects. Remember, your skin is unique, and these natural remedies can help it glow in its own unique way. Happy skincare!